headed out on an excursion. We are going today to see the waterfalls, the mountain, and what else we going to see?
It's a volcano.
Oh, volcano. Sorry. It's always me apologizing because I don't know exactly where we're going. As you can see, who plans the trips and who just show up? Me. I just show up. The mountain yesterday had already kind of, I don't want to say erupt, but it was smoking. It was gorgeous. I think I have footage of that and I'll add it in here somewhere. The morning in Costa Rica is a little low key right now. It looks nice. It's supposed to be a warm day, about 80 degrees. See, I got that right, 80 degrees. And we are going to enjoy ourselves as we always do when we're together and separately. Yeah, feel me? Oh, we learned from our Panama trip to come equipped for this trip because it's also the rainforest. Since we're going to see the waterfall, we don't know, we have to hike on what's going on. So our attire is straight up rainforest gear. It's fishing gear, but we ready. We have on our hiking gear, fishing gear, hiking gear. We ain't gonna be caught out there in the streets like we was last time, okay? Because we came back mosquito bites everywhere, looking like we had something, but not this time. So we'll let you guys know if this worked for us or if it didn't work for us. We'll also let you know so that if you come here, you'll know that if you're going to see the waterfall, how to dress, okay? All right, we'll see you there. It's the OOTD too, and I have my handy dandy, per usual, bucket hat. I like this bucket hat so it goes everywhere. Well, most of the time they all do, but I was trying to stay light with packing, so I think I only brought this one. We decided to come up here and grab a coffee, cocoa, whatever, and a snack, which is just granola bars.
Next to the side, the real volcano in the Caribbean part. Right now it's very clear. Over there you can see Poas Volcano. So we start in Cartago to the east, coming back. Cartago fue primera y segunda región capital. All over there on the left, a su izquierda, the largest volcano in Latin America. National Park, Volcán Barba. Hoy estamos a 1175 metros sobre el nivel del mar. Right now, 1175 over the level of the pagas apenas. Okay? Somebody have high pressure, some surgery in the knee and the waist and the heart, okay, or allergic, you let I know. Ahorita vamos a pasar el mapa. We will show you the map. Yes. Por acá, señorita, ajá, más para atrás. Ahí en medio, ustedes comparten ahí. Volcanos. Más de 292 puntos volcánicos. More than 292 points of volcanoes. What's that mean? 6 is active. 6 son volcanes activos. Big tank ready for all the proposals to produce energy and natural fertilizer, organic fertilizer. Okay? We don't pay per gallon. No pagamos per gallon. We pay per liters. It's almost $2 per liter. Yes, something like that. Hoy van a ver árboles de guarumo, árboles de aún. Bambú, amarillo y verde, no es endémico en Costa Rica, it's not from Costa. Okay guys, cameras. Cameras. You need help, Mr. Milton, you could ask one of the young guys help you with the camera and put it in video. Because if you want to be on the right side, okay? Costa Rica, go all over the My friends, ready to hike in? Very easy. What can I show you? I know we hungry. We soon leave, don't worry. Crotos, very easy to find numbers. Okay? Number 5, number 5, number 4, number 7, number 9. Okay? Number 5, look over there, you see? That's why we call it lottery.
I have these at my house.
Yes?
Yeah.
Popular name is Spanish.
Is it lemon?
I'm close, my friend. Ah, close. Tell me what kind of line. Tell me what type of line. Yeah, very close. Share it over there, Mr. Williams. If you want some more, we get it.
Lemon?
Michelle, you get? Who missing? Ah, ¿cómo se llama usted?
Nosotros decimos naranjo en Puerto Rico,
Ajá.
hoja de naranja. Lo usamos
Hoja
en
that
té.
smell like orange, right? Recuerden el limón mandarina. Remember the lime tangerine lime. You cut it and all inside is orange. This is the best lime, not the original lime. This is the best lime. A lot of fresco. Nice, very good. Okay. This plant you see over here, esta planta, if you want to come close, come on the sun, don't worry. Esta planta es una de las más antiguas. It's the number 1, the oldest plant in the planet. Wine thinking.
Sí.
What they say, what you say over there?
Los egipcios lo usaban para hacer papel.
Yes, Egyptians use it to make paper.
Papyrus.
Give me 5, give me 5. Boom, papyrus. This is the oldest plant. Number 1, we're missing 2, okay? For homework. Pía de tigre.
We have that too.
When like a cucumber grow, cuando crece como un pepino, we could eat it. This is good for the collagen, not changing the collagen, help the collagen, okay? No flowers, but this is an aracacia. Esa es una aracacia. Flor campana, remember the bell flower?
Yeah.
Flor campana, this is the plant, the toxic plant.
Yeah.
Aracacia.
Make it
Indians use this. This banana is the one we could eat. This banana.
original banana, no?
Yes. Hoy vamos a comer, vamos a ver banano rojo, banano rosado. Today we want to see red bananas and pink bananas. Hold it right there. Okay, my friends.
Coffee.
Okay.
Coffee bean, yeah.
Okay.
And this is the
Put your hand. Put your hand and let's share up there. Share it over there. Thank you. Only red beans. That is the way we pick coffee in Costa Rica. Only red beans. Share over there, please. Help me out with the rest of the group. Thank you. Teamwork. I like that. Okay, vamos a estar compartiendo. I should show you. Don't squeeze it. Don't squeeze it. I should show you what we're going to do to taste it. Who missing over there? Share it out there. Thank you. ¿Qué más? Who miss? Yes, we have to taste coffee. This is the one we consideramos el café una fruta. This is the oro, the gold fruit. Yes. And we squeeze and we just taste it. Don't chew it. Nice. Dulce. Take it out there. Come on, let's go. Let's go a second time.
I love that. That's another beer.
Let's stay in the shade. Vamos a la the hand. Go ahead, put your hand. Come close. Wait a moment, take the flower. Go ahead. Yes, go ahead. Menta.
Yeah. Thought so.
Menta. Muy bien. ¿Qué falta por aquí? What we gotta do? Simple. Do it. Come close, my friends. Gracias. Come close, my friends. I know they want to take pictures. Come on, my friend. Vamos, familia. No. Who want to be number one tasting coffee?
Me?
Lupe, ¿quiere probar? Sin azúcar, no sugar. Vamos, familia, pasen, venga. Brew. Which one you want, Dirk? ¿Qué vamos a hacer? This will taste coffee, right? 10 times you go for coffee.
I'm gonna try the dark roast.
Okay, family, come close.
And the other one is called cascado.
Okay, gallo pinto because of the rice from yesterday and the beans from yesterday. You get up in the morning and you nombres diferentes de especie de café. Okay.
De café?
Yes.
Tell me more.
Yes. We're gonna have different type of plants of coffee. Costa Rica 95%.
But you said there's decaffeinated coffee beans as well?
Yes. Fruit trees in the plantation, right? Okay.
He said y'all gonna be working now, so get ready.
This by here, vuelta. Vamos a ir escogiendo café con la mano. Tenemos tres maneras. Come close, you can come close. Tres maneras de coger café. 3 ways to pick coffee in Costa Rica. ¿Eso qué significa? What you say? Give me 5. Boom. That means un montón de mineral orgánico. A lot of
Organic minerals.
So whatever you grow in volcanic lands, grow very fast. Okay? Ahora bien, right now, 50 años, but we don't go all the way up to 50. We use it 20, 22 years. After that, 20, 22 años. Después de eso, we're going to root out the coffee. And vamos a rehabilitar el terreno. Rehabilitation. Now full producing a lot of coffee. Y produce mucho café ya de este tamaño. At this size is a lot of coffee. I like that.
But when you do they give the coffee beans at the same time, all, or
Yes.
and yet, are you putting them all in the same batch, or are they in different?
Del río, the water from the river, agua que viene de la falda del volcán Poas y de las líneas del volcán Coca. Son aguas naturales llenas de muchos minerales, full of good minerals que va a necesitar el café.
Ustedes la canalizan la agua.
No lo vamos a llenar así, flat, plano. You come, pull over, group, when it's ready, my special calculator, mi calculadora, la verdad, sorry, my calculator, empezamos a contar las veces ahorita. Boom, muy bien, watch your steps, cuidado. Cuando entran, vean a su derecha, van a ver los pequeños canales. When you come in, stay looking on the right side and you will see the small tunnels where the coffee coming over with water pumping. Cascading café. There is the machine filling the coffee. Name chancadora. Chancadora se llama la máquina que va a ir por todos esos pequeños canales, como ven, como va bajando el agua. And the machine go like this, está llenando las diferentes pilas. Todo con proceso de agua. Aquí mismo. Métase, métase, señorita, no se quede. Come, Mr. Shizun, come, don't worry. Listo. Sleep. Take a nap. Sleep. What do you think we're going to do? We got to sleep or we going to keep working? Muy bien, gracias, Gabriel. Pase, Agustín, pase, señora. Como usted quiere. Gabriel, Agustín y Diego. Diego, ahora bien, this is the section where we want to dry coffee. Por medio de vapor. El café, we dry the coffee in this area. Okay? Muy bien, thank you for the patience. Muy bien, that's good. Dry the coffee. Come with the machine over there, go stop, and we'll start filling up. For the sacks, we weight it and put it over there for exportation. Now, my friends, I want to show you something very good over here. Guess what? All this coffee is for exportation. And this is the coffee, maybe you think it's cafe meal and aromatic coffee. Coffee what flow. Green coffee, pea berry coffee. Okay? That is produced in volcanoes full of minerals. Todos llenos de minerales. That is all time the road, la ruta que vamos a tomar donde vamos a ver una finca.
So no donkeys, no horses.
Brahma, Dora, Buey o Amiu. Ninguno. La raza Brahma, la raza Dora, un cebú, un buey, un caballo, una mula. Ninguno trabaja en fincas. I would expect. Ese es un pequeño ejemplo de lo que tiene que hacer un compañero de trabajo de la finca. ¿Cómo vamos a secar el café? Oh, we're going to dry the coffee. Pay attention on this. Look, oh, it's going to spinning. Look over there. You see? Oh, it works. ¿Ven cómo funciona? Ajá. Smell it and pass it around.
No sé por qué son más claros, sí.
Ok. Te lo voy a poner ahora. Levanta ese y levanta ese.
We already been up here. This tour is really interesting. I just learned that you're not supposed to use hot water or boiling water in your coffee. Only hot water, because the coffee is already toasted. So if you use boiling water, you're technically burning the coffee. Interesting. Starting the coffee tour onto the volcano.
Cuando nosotros somos de la última,
tomar la calle principal o la ruta principal hacia el volcán. Van a estar viendo la última línea de lo que se refiere a la siembra de café. When we get the main road, I need you people look at the left and the right and you can see the 100 meters, okay? Métele la idea. Ahí mismo se van a dar cuenta. Too firm. Se siembra la fresa acá de la manera tradicional, ¿verdad? Afuera, whistling afuera. Planta número 2, que es la más antigua del planeta, sería el helecho arbórico o helecho robusto.
If you are enjoying this vlog, leave us a thumbs up just to let us know that you're enjoying it and it's good so far.
Buenas, buenas. Ok, bienvenidos al Parque Nacional Volcán Poas. And you say we go for charging, I was standing right there. Ok, voy a estar parado ahí. Cuando vienen de la laguna, that's what we're doing.
Mr. Wonderful. Let me check your hand. Ooh, my friend.
Guys, everything all right?
Back into the volcano. 200 meters to volcano. They need them. Inside of the volcano.
When I try, maybe you want to try something very soft. You know, those are the different color of the different dates and the different move of which side or grapes. You want to see? You try one more time. You have to push the key. Softly. You see? You want to try? Come over. Don't worry. Come.
For me. Yes. This is me. Like, this is what I would be doing. We've left the volcano. We're walking back towards the entry for a lake. I heard him say something about a lagoon. We'll see. If anybody ever visit here and go to the volcano, please wear a jacket, dress accordingly because it's a little chilly. 25,000 feet above sea level. So we're like up where the planes would be coming down, right? Where planes be coming down-ish at 25 feet. But yeah, it's chilly, so dress accordingly. We're glad we brought this gear because, again, we learn from our previous mistakes sometimes.
Okay, guys. They don't taste. This is ornamental bananas. Son bananas ornamentales. We can... Okay. Y empieza a repartir.
Que empieza a repartir, está bien.
Thank you.
Vamos a repartir. You see, I know we're hungry, but all this is interesting. Botanic. Look at the red bananas. Red bananas. Bananos rojos a su derecha. Do some get there right now. Recuerde que hablamos de la... When no light, they wrap up as a taco. Cuando no hay luz, they do like this. They wrap up as a taco. You see? Sorry. Read a little bit and we go, okay?
I hear them in the tree up above. Uh-huh. Oh, parakeets. He said, "Hola." That's a peacock, no? No? This is an animal sanctuary. All animals here will be released. Those are sloths. It is a sloth. They're like lemurs.
This is your first time seeing that?
Night butterfly.
Importante, avispa, was or bees. Stay there. She come like that. Naranjas es bloqueada por la avispa parasitoria. Why parasite bees? Because alive, she will put the eggs inside.
Oh.
And the little babies, you see, start eating. Empieza a comer por dentro las larvas.
We're in the butterfly, I must say the butterfly center. The butterfly, it's butterfly, where butterflies are. It's so many. I haven't done this since I was a kid. Thank you. Here in the rainforest again. Typical us, but we are really close to the waterfall, and you can hear it. Listen, we're about to show it because I'm right here.
Good luck coming up.
A lot, huh? Ree, what you doing?
Going to the waterfall. In the rainforest again. Oh my God, it's absolutely gorgeous. Not be a rainforest without the rain, because it is definitely raining. But we gearing up though. See, that's why I said come prepared. Hopefully we're going the right way, because I don't see the rest of the crew. But you hear that though? You guys, this video does not even capture what we see, what we're viewing. Once again, this does not even like, you can't see what I see. You gotta be here. Experience. Remember we talked about experience. So we prepare again. I actually have my umbrella in my pouch too, but I didn't want to be a cheater and use it. But I have a towel. This is gorgeous, guys. I don't want to keep repeating myself, but girl. If you're new here, my name is Harease, where I vlog travel, fitness, what do I vlog? Lifestyle. And I thank you for coming. Come again, hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. If you are returning, you already know this is what we do. Stay tuned to the next adventure, but I am going to end this particular vlog here. Thanks for watching.
And Mr. Pat and Mr. Milton.
Wat is het Nederland?
Flour. Flour. Spices. Don't worry, like a good one. Jugo de caña, sugar cane, natural sugar cane juice. Original sugar.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Fresquito. ¿Quieres más? Gracias. You ready? Oh.
Yeah.